I disposed of the tray.
You what?
I used it, and I.
Oh, you used it then. Okay, so it didn't stay on the tray.
Right. And I disposed of the tray.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Mr. Emmons about this case. It's going to do some further look at the matter to see where we stand in terms of an offer. We're asking just for an adjournment for a couple of weeks of the PCC. And then I need to address his, it's not a bond violation yet, I don't believe, but it's a bond report where Mr. Croy given permission to test in Genesee County. He signed up for a program, DNA testing in Genesee County. That program did not release testing results to the community corrections unless he was
positive. Hold on a second. That's not what I have. Do you have his progress report?
The one that I have, I do have a progress report. I don't
from August 28th.
I don't believe that's the date. Let me check.
Mr. Allen.
Mine dated August 28th.
In terms of his testing, I have on. So he's here on an operating while intoxicated causing death.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. And on August 20th, after his arraignment, what day was he arraigned?
Arraigned on the 16th.
So then he got tested on the 16th he was ordered. He wanted to test there. He tests on August 20th, and he's positive for cocaine.
Correct, Your Honor. I'm aware of that.
Then, on the 22nd, he didn't appear for his testing.
That was when I was setting up to be tested in Genesee County. I didn't have to test again because I had just tested. I was just signing up to test in Genesee County. And I called the lady down here to let her know right away.
All right. Let's go back a moment because I don't think he's been before me.
I don't believe so, Judge. Just asking for a 2-week adjournment to see where we stand in terms of the potential.
Why is he testing positive for cocaine after getting charged and arraigned on an operating while intoxicated causing death?
Because he used cocaine, obviously. I don't think he's...
No, it's a fair answer to my question. I'm just saying why.
Yes, Judge.
Why? I mean, why is he using anything?
Well, my understanding is he is not any longer.
What?
My understanding is he is not any longer. But he previously was. He began testing, transferred that testing to Genesee County per the instructions he was given at arraignment. He's been testing there, but they are not reporting the results here unless he is positive. They have not called him to test this week. He's called them twice a day to go test. They have not called him, so he went over today to community corrections, tested here, and he is going to change if the court allows him.
Tested here today?
Here this morning.
What is it? Do we have results on that?
I don't have it.
I don't have anything yet.
I was informed about it this morning myself.
So, go ahead, Mr. Green.
Thank you, Judge. So rather than do the Genesee County testing that authorized to do that does not send the reports as community correction would require, he has signed up again today to test here and do all of his testing here, although he does not live here. He has a relative here with him who has agreed to drive him back and forth. That testing, if he is allowed, Your Honor. I understand.
What was the intoxicant in the primary offense?
Okay.
So let me get this right. He's charged. I just want to make sure. So I have it clear in my head.
You do.
He was charged with operating while intoxicated causing death.
Yes, Your Honor.
The intoxicant in that charge is cocaine.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's an arraigned. So now he knows what he's charged with. He's told to go to community corrections. When he gets to community corrections, mind you, 4 days later,
He test positive.
He tests positive for cocaine.
I had some at my house, which I disposed of.
In your nose or what?
I had it in a tray and I disposed of it.
You what?
I had it in a tray
And then
I
you
threw it away.
smoked it.
Threw it away.
You threw it away? How's that work? Where did he throw it? It's gonna be a long conversation. Where did he throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I
know.
disposed of the tray.
You what?
I used it and I
Oh, you used it. Then okay, so it
Everyone
didn't
looked
stay.
at
It
it.
didn't stay on the tray.
and I disposed of the tray.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well.
And since then I haven't touched it since.
What's this?
Okay. He probably stopped using because he's coming today.
Police.
And yeah,
I'm printing them now.
you're printing him. Mm.
I haven't touched it since.
So somebody needs to answer for me. Why was he using after being arraigned
I mean, obviously,
on this charge? And why was he using?
I don't.
I have my physics drawn.
I don't think there's any answer to
Oh, darn.
satisfy the court as to why.
And by the way, you're still using.
Honestly, I don't see how I
Oh,
have
really? Hold on.
I never
You know what?
touched it.
The thing I hate more than anything is when somebody lies to me.
Honestly, I'm not.
Okay. Well, just make sure that you because it has to be in your system. That must be just positive. And that you let it's been fine.
Counsel, approach briefly. You want to see this? That's my copy, though. Yeah, this is the one he took today. No, not at all. We need all of this on the record.
And the last positive from the second to 7 days later.
Yeah. 7 days later. And a little bit he threw away. Okay. Go ahead. I'm sorry. I'm messing up your story.
Oh, I know. All I've done is I've used it in the chair that I saw. I've used it. And that was it. 22nd. Well, no, I didn't know.
Okay. Well, we'll tell them that. You know, medical.
I know. I want to do this. I want to the truth.
Okay.
To
To answer your previous question, Judge, why?
Oh, he's positive for cocaine.
Judge.
Just so that we know.
Thank you, Judge. And to answer your previous question as to why he's still using after being arraigned,
Sure.
clearly he has a problem, Your Honor. There's no answer I can give you that can justify use of cocaine after arraignment when it's an illegal. He doesn't have any type of special license to allow him to use cocaine, Judge. So clearly he has a problem. He is willing to fix that problem when he testing there. He is working and he did voluntarily come here today and take a test. So he's asking you to not say that. Right.
No.
No, you didn't have to stay.
Right. Anything else?
All I can say, Your
Okay. My cousin doesn't allow anything. Yeah. You know, put it in your food and drink. And it's possible. I have friends at my mother's house, but cousin's house to do work down there. Okay. Because I'm gonna eventually reside down at my cousin's house.
All right. So to the positive test, Your Honor, I have no explanation aside from what he already told you.
Which positive test?
The
First one or this one?
The first positive test. Your Honor.
Oh,
The
okay.
explanation he gave you is that he used it and then threw away the tray. After he was arraigned, after he was ordered not to use, have no explanation, Your Honor. He'll just ask for mercy from the court on that, and he is willing to get any treatment that the court would allow him to take place.
Because he can't follow the court's order. I don't know how he's going to do treatment. And the other thing is, he doesn't test when he's supposed to test.
Yes, Judge.
So it seems you may have two options. I could let him go and say, oh, well, Best wishes. Or what I can allow him to do is go back out there, use some more cocaine and kill somebody else. Allegedly. Not doing it.
Understood, Judge.
Defendant's bond is revoked. Defendant remanded to the Washington County Jail. I'll set his hearing September 12th, 2024, 9 a.m. for probable cause.